Today, I'll demonstrate how to create a Northern Survey map in PNG format that includes the national tree map. First, you need to be logged into your MapServe account and select the address you want to preview. Use one of the selection tools like the rectangle tool here to outline your area of interest. Once you're happy with your selection, add the national tree map as an additional layer to OS MasterMap in either TWG or DXF format, as these are the only formats that support extra layers. Add your selection to the basket and proceed to check out after checking that you have selected the correct map. Your CAD map will be ready for download shortly after checkout and also sent to your email address. Next, you need to open AutoCAD and access the CAD file containing the map you wish to export in PNG format. Navigate to the desired map area, adjusting with zoom and pan tools to focus on specific sections if you need to. If you prefer not to include all of the layers or grid lines, you can turn off the ones you don't want to show. For example, here I've chosen to include just the circumference lines and the maximum height of the trees. Once your layout is set, head to the command area and type PNG out. Specify where you want the PNG image to be saved, choose the destination folder and adjust the file name if needed. Confirm the save action and generate your PNG image. You need to click at the end of the command area and press enter for the file to be exported. After the export process is complete, check the designated folder for your new PNG file. Your PNG image, now featuring the national tree map, is all set for use.